Where are you going?
I have to walk the dog.
What kind of dog do you have?
I have a little poodle.
Poodles bark a lot.
They sure do.
They bark at everything.
They never shut up.
Why did you get a poodle?
It's my mom's dog.
So she likes poodles.
She says they're good watchdogs. Can I borrow $5?
Sure. Why do you need it?
I want to buy lunch.
Where's your money?
It's not in my wallet.
Your wallet is empty?
I don't have even $1 in it.
Being broke is no fun.
Even if it's only for a short while.
It's always good to have friends.
Friends will lend you money when you're broke.
As long as you pay them back.
Let's go to the beach.
That's a great idea.
We haven't been in a while.
We haven't been in a month.
The last time we went, you almost drowned.
No, I didn't.
Then why did the lifeguard dive into the water?
I think he wanted to cool off.
He swam right up to you.
And then he turned right around.
Maybe you're right.
Maybe we should get going.
Are you married?
No. I'm divorced.
When did you get divorced?
I got divorced 2 years ago.
Why did you get divorced?
My wife left me.
Why did she leave you?
She said she didn't love me anymore.
Wow. That's terrible.
Yes, it was.
Why didn't she love you anymore?
She fell in love with my best friend.
I'm bored.
What's on TV?
Nothing.
There must be something on TV.
Nothing that's interesting.
What about that new game show?
Which one?
Deal or No Deal?
Tell me you're joking.
I love that show.
I watched it once. That was enough.
It's on right now. Let's watch it together.